Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of cloud computing and breaking down how can start earning money with cloud technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, entrepreneur, or just looking for a side hustle, cloud computing has opened up a wealth of opportunities. So let's get right into it.
The first way you can make money is by reselling cloud services. Major cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud allow you to partner with them and resell their services. You can act as the middleman, selling cloud resources and managing these services for your clients. Not only do you earn a markup on these services, but you can also offer support, consulting, and custom solutions.
Next, we have software as a service. With this model, you can develop cloud-based software that people subscribe to. Think of apps like Slack or Zoom. They're cloud-based, and users pay a monthly or yearly fee to access these services. All you need is a strong idea and the technical skills to build it.
With more and more businesses moving to the cloud is another profitable option. Companies need help migrating to cloud platforms or optimizing their cloud infrastructure, and that's where you come in. Whether you specialize in cost optimization, security, or scaling, your expertise can be in high demand.
For those interested in a more technical role, providing infrastructure as a service is a great option. Essentially, you provide virtualized computing resources like servers, storage, and networking to businesses, which can be scaled on demand. You manage the back end, and your clients focus on their core operations.
Or platform as a service is ideal if you want to support developers in building, testing, and deploying applications without them needing to manage the infrastructure. Platforms like AWS Elastic Beanstalk or Google App Engine are great examples, and you can offer your own or partner with existing platforms to serve developers. Please subscribe to our channel and watch till the end.
If you prefer not to develop or manage cloud systems yourself, affiliate marketing for cloud services is an easy entry point. By referring customers to cloud platforms and tools, you can earn commissions through affiliate programs offered by companies like AWS or various SaaS platforms. It's as simple as promoting the right services and earning a commission when someone signs up through your link.
Data storage and backup services. Businesses and individuals always need secure and reliable storage. You can offer by setting up a secure infrastructure. Charge clients based on the amount of storage they use and offer scalability and disaster recovery as part of your package.
Cloud-native application development. Cloud-native apps take full advantage of the scalability, elasticity, and reliability of cloud environments. If you're a developer, creating and selling cloud-native apps on platforms like AWS Marketplace is a lucrative path. Businesses are constantly seeking cloud-based solutions tailored to their specific needs.
Cloud training and certification. As cloud computing becomes more widespread, the demand for training is skyrocketing. Offering is a great way to earn money, especially if you're skilled in platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. You can teach online, create digital courses, or even consult for corporate teams looking to upskill their staff.
Serverless computing. Serverless computing lets you develop applications without worrying about the underlying servers. You only pay for the actual compute time, making it an attractive option for businesses. Developers can use platforms like AWS Lambda or Azure Functions to build and sell custom solutions for businesses that want to cut costs while scaling easily.
AI and machine learning on the cloud. AI and machine learning are big buzzwords right now, and cloud platforms make deploying these solutions easier. You can earn by providing on platforms like AWS SageMaker or Azure AI, offering pre-built models or custom solutions to businesses looking to harness AI.
Finally, cloud-based DevOps tools. DevOps teams need cloud-based tools to streamline development pipelines. You can develop or provide to help teams with automation, CI/CD, and containerization. With more businesses adopting cloud-native workflows, this is an area primed for growth. So there you have it, 12 ways to earn money with cloud technology. From consulting and reselling to building custom applications, the opportunities are endless. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech-driven content. And let me know in the comments, which of these methods are you most interested in exploring?